how to export PowerPoint to mp4 video format. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up your Microsoft PowerPoint. And then after you're done editing, you can go to file option on the top left, and then you can go to export, and then go to create a video, and then you can choose the option if you want HD standard or full HD. And then you can even change the duration of seconds spent on each slide. And then you can even choose to use recorded timings and narrations or not use it, and then tap on create video. And then you can see that it will be saved in mp4 format. You just have to hit save. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.